Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have prepared for you one more makeup tutorial. Today it will be medieval makeup tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos, and let's start. Inspiration of my video is makeup of women from High Middle Ages epoch, and I have to say that I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just trying to reconstruct their makeup. So let's start. We will start with the skin. Actually, if you have watched my video about Renaissance makeup, you will admit that they will be almost the same. Pale, clear skin without acne, pokes and spots, high forehead and invisible eyebrows. This is actually a standard of beauty from Middle Ages, and I will try to make it the same. I will start with the skin, and I actually was trying to find the fairest tone of foundation, and let's see. Of course, I will not using any contour kits, but I will try to make my eyebrows invisible with foundation. Okay, I still can see my eyebrows, and because I can't tweeze my eyebrows, and women actually did it. I will use my concealer. Okay, I still can see my eyebrows, but now they look so invisible. I almost got rid of my eyebrows, and as a typical woman, I will draw it now with a pencil. And the women in Middle Ages preferred a rainbow form for their eyebrows, and I will try to make it the same. It looks disgusting, but I was trying my best. Thomas Aquinas, a medieval theologian, has written that makeup is a really important thing in the marriage, because if man enjoy watching his wife, it can save their marriage from cheating and other bad things, and watching another woman. You can see the mascara on my eyelashes, and I still don't have any information about mascara in Middle Ages, so I will try to remove it from my eyes. It will be hard because I have lenses, but I will try. And here am I without my mascara, and now I'm looking more natural, more medieval. And the next step is lips. Today I will not use any lipstick, because using a lipstick in Middle Ages was an attribute of witches, and if woman was using a lipstick, she could easily got a witchcraft accusation, and it wasn't the thing they wanted to get. As I said, the next step of my makeup tutorial is hair. And hair was actually a really sinful thing in the Middle Ages, and it was strictly forbidden to show hair. But the standard of beauty for hair in the Middle Ages was the same as in the Renaissance epoch. Everybody liked long blonde hair, but you could show it only to your husband. And this is my hairstyle for today. As you can see, the green blue is my favorite color. That's all. This is my medieval look. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. As you can see, I'm really enjoying my day, and see you next week. Thank you. Goodbye.